So you just cracked the back of your iPhone and it looks terrible now, and it may even cut your fingers. So obviously if the front is fine and it's just the back, do you really need to actually spend over $100 to repair this? So especially if it's an older iPhone, I really don't see a point. So easy solution is simply getting a case. And yeah, a very stupid video, but obviously this works. Get a case. I picked this up for around $1 and we can fix our problem really in only 2 or 3 seconds. And actually the grip of our iPhone is actually much better now and it looks good as new. Obviously you can't really cut your fingers here and you can't really see that it's damaged in some way. So everything looks like a perfectly fine, and yep, nice iPhone. So again, very stupid video, but obviously this is what I do. If I get an iPhone with cracked back, I just slap on its case and job done. So if this is helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.